Here's another new model for 2019. This is a 2019 Quailridge 39FLSK specially built. It has a wet bar and a really nice big bathroom. It's actually sandalwood with white windows and white lineals. The MSRP is no secret, $65,339. Heading on inside, here's what we got. Stainless appliances, convection microwave, wet bar, double loft, beautiful plank wood flooring throughout. This is just in. The lights aren't hung yet, but you get the idea. Everything in these stays in them. You got a sleeper sofa, rocker recliner, nice counter seating, great big entertainment center, stainless appliance. Here's the best part. I don't know how good this will show up, but it's got a great big shower head, great big bathroom. Let me get in here. I wish we had her plugged in. Well, you can kind of tell. It's got a dual shower head, and it's very low threshold, and it's a great big walk-in bathroom. Absolutely astounding. Great feature. Got a closet. If you axe these two closets, you can actually have a washer dryer. People always ask that question, so there's your answer. Order one, get rid of the closets, and put a washer dryer in. Here's the master bedroom. It's got the signature Quailridge his and hers wardrobe, as do all my Quailridges. Lots of drawers and doors, lots of storage, lit closets. Let's go on up to the loft. Got some stairs leading up. It's a double loft, so you've got a small section here, which would serve as a, oh, I don't know, you might definitely fit a twin, maybe a queen. Over here's the big side of the loft. Got the optional entertainment center and the optional auxiliary AC. I'll go through the loft here so you can get kind of a look at the downstairs from upstairs. Okay. So this is the 2019 Quailridge 39FLSK special with the wet bar and the fancy bathroom. Heading down the stairs and back out. Pantry, extra large bathroom. Nice big open floor plan out here. New model for 2019. Let's make sure we got the wet bar in the picture. There we go. MSRP, as I said, no secret there. 65, if I can find it, 65,339.50. Okay, let's go look at some of my other park models. That there is one of the newer models.